Can you lube me up, mate?
Hope if I'm filming the right spot. Oh, God's sake, Dennis.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I saw those new tools in that article. So we just did a quick trim, and then we're going to sand it back, level it up.
Dennis has these old offcuts off of something, can't remember what for, but we're going to taper the ends off like that, and they're going to go on the sides here as arms.
Eva, can you hold the wood there for Uncle Jeff? That's perfect. Okay. No, Hancock, you good job. Eva, is that in position? Yeah, that's the piece. It's got the.
Down on the chair. Have
All
a
right.
look behind where it goes, then.
That looks
Sit
good.
down on the chair.
All right. Good job, Eva.
Put your arm on it.
I'll grab this one. There you go. Sit in the middle. Let's have a look how it sits. It's probably a little bit too high for you. Oh, perfect. The queen has seated. You little dogster. Good girl.
Right.
Definitely don't want to go through that.
We're going to tap that next.
That came in handy
Yeah, so
from the book. So we just
Dennis was jokingly saying,
we should just stick this on the back.
we should just stick that on the back.
On the back. So
And what did Jeff say?
Jeff goes, yeah, no problems.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
And so I made this piece,
Made that bit, and it just fits
and
beautifully.
with that idea, we then grabbed it and we marked those out on the side and
So
cut
that's
those
pretty
out.
much those, I'm pretty sure.
This inside bit here.
Yeah, there's those.
So
Pretty much
we
there.
decided, we'll take the boring out of the chair, and bloody has.
It really has. back.
This is our
Get to fold it.
trying.
Nice.
Yeah, and then do one either side of it, and then we'll do the spacing of the rest.
How close, Jeff? Because I don't want it to. What do you reckon there?
A bit closer. Yeah.
So they're pretty much hitting.
Yeah. Nice.